So we put palm oil and onion. Pepper blend, which is comprised of onion, pepper, and crayfish. We don't have like, so I'm using mortar, so I use the mortar to pound it, and I'm going to put it inside here now. My sweet potato, so I'm going to put it inside now. Where's the evidence to prove that I told you not? So you can either use ugu, or you can ugu, that's pumpkin leaf, or you can use spinach, or you can use aleho, that's vegetable leaf, or any leaf of your choice. But if you are using, if you want to use that, ensure you wash it properly before you use it for your porridge.
Magic. All I see you, Zilla. I know you rapping, homie. Cause everything's so mean when we step in. She up and steady, go shorty cause I already know she ready. She pop that body so deadly. Every